The market has completely shifted today and prices have crashed. People are panicking and analysts are scrambling to adjust their predictions. In just 24 hours, a staggering $2.2 billion has been wiped off the market. And the reason? Donald Trump has changed everything. However, some analysts are shedding light at the end of the tunnel. Shytoshi Kusama just dropped a hint about something massive, and this could be the turning point that Shiba Inu needs. So what exactly is going on? How will all of this make sense? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Asterisk, asterisk, disclaimer, asterisk, asterisk. Today is not looking great for Shiba Inu. The price took a huge hit, dropping by almost 20%. It did manage to bounce back slightly, but it's still down by about 13.3%. This has really shaken up the community because just a few days ago, Shiba Inu was looking strong. The price was rallying, and everyone thought it was finally making a real comeback. But today, it's feeling less hopeful. It's hard to say if that recovery is still in the cards just yet. One analyst nailed the explanation. Shiba Inu's price dropped below the 200 EMA, which is a key support level. Right now, it's in one of its most critical spots. This move has sent Shiba Inu back to where it was earlier in the year, erasing months of gains. People are now worried that it could slip even lower and lose another digit off its price. The situation is tough because there's not much support around to prevent further drops. With the price deep into bearish territory and no buying pressure in sight, there's a real chance Shiba Inu could keep falling. If it doesn't bounce back soon, we could see it slide toward a major psychological threshold. If it goes even lower, we might witness a massive sell-off. Things are looking shaky right now, but one analyst hinted at a crucial level Shiba Inu really needs to hold on to if it's going to stay in the game. According to this analyst, Shiba Inu is currently in Wave 3, a phase where the price has critical support between two important price points. Despite the steep decline over the last day and week, there's still hope for a comeback if Shiba Inu can maintain those support levels. The good news is that Shiba Inu might still be in a larger bullish trend. A theory suggests that even though it retraced further than expected, Wave 3 could still be one of the strongest phases in the cycle. If Shiba Inu can hold onto these support zones, there's a good chance of a major rebound. In fact, some analysts are expecting a strong rally from this point. However, Shiba Inu's price is still quite a bit off from its highest point, so it has a long way to go before it can reach those earlier peaks. While things are a bit rocky right now, it's not entirely over for Shiba Inu. If it can hold on to those key levels, it might have a shot at bouncing back. The vibe has really shifted today, with people and investors getting a bit skeptical about what to do next. Should they buy the dip, or are they thinking about cutting their losses and bailing out? It's been the talk of the day, with uncertainty hanging in the air. So you might be wondering, what's going on here? Why is this happening? And what's causing this sharp price drop? When you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, it seems like the entire market is in a bit of a meltdown. And believe it or not, Donald Trump's recent actions have something to do with it. He announced hefty tariffs on countries like Canada, China, and Mexico, and that's sent shockwaves through the global market. Bitcoin and other altcoins have taken steep dives, and there's been a huge wave of liquidation as traders and investors react to fears of a potential trade war between the U.S. and these major countries. It's barely even February, and Bitcoin has already dropped by a significant percentage. The largest cryptocurrency has definitely felt the heat, along with the rest of the market. Fears about these new tariffs have sent the U.S. dollar soaring, which has caused a ripple effect across the board. The value of the dollar has surged against the Chinese yuan and is hitting record highs against Canadian and Mexican currencies. This spike in the dollar has really hurt risk assets like cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's price plummeted to a low point today, dragging the rest of the market down with it. Altcoins have been hit hard too, and the overall crypto market saw a huge dip in value. It's been a tough day for traders, with a whopping $2.2 billion wiped out as positions got liquidated in just 24 hours. Ethereum, for example, saw a major drop, and its traders felt the brunt of it with nearly $500 million in positions being wiped out in the past 24 hours. And then there's Bitcoin, which also saw a big spike, with hundreds of millions of dollars disappearing from the market after this steep correction. There's been a massive hit to long positions, leaving many bulls facing significant losses. So how does all this connect back to Shiba Inu? Well, Shiba Inu is riding the same market waves. When Bitcoin and the broader crypto market crash, altcoins like Shiba Inu usually feel the impact. While it's a tough time for Shiba Inu, it's really part of a larger trend affecting the entire crypto space, driven by global economic tensions and fears. But hold on a minute. We might not need to worry too much. According to veteran trader Peter Brandt, even though Bitcoin keeps dropping, it's not all doom and gloom. There's still hope for a bullish trend. With over 50 years of experience in financial markets, Brandt made an interesting point. He said that even if Bitcoin were to fall below $80,000, it could still be in a bullish phase. According to Brandt, we're seeing a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt right now, which often pops up during times like these. But that doesn't mean it's the end of the road for Bitcoin or the whole crypto space. While this might not be a prediction, Brandt believes that even if Bitcoin drops below $80,000, it doesn't automatically mean we're heading into a full-blown bear market. If Bitcoin is still in a bullish trend, even with its current struggles, it could mean the whole market has a shot at recovery. So if Bitcoin manages to turn things around and get back on track, Shiba Inu could very well benefit from that positive momentum. And here's the kicker. One analyst made a bold prediction about Shiba Inu's future. If the market plays out just right, they believe Shiba Inu could reach a price that would see it eliminate 2 zeros from its current value. The analyst has set a target of around 1 cent for Shiba Inu, assuming that other meme coins hit their own significant milestones. Reaching that 1 cent target would require a jump of over 5,000% from where Shiba Inu stands right now. If Shiba Inu were to hit that level, its market cap would skyrocket to a staggering $589 billion. To put it into perspective, a $1,800 investment in 100 million Shiba Inu today could be worth around $100,000 if Shiba Inu reaches that goal. That said, there's no set timeline for when this could happen. Some experts, like those at Changelly, think it could take until 2033 for Shiba Inu to hit the 1 cent mark, while others, like Ton, believe it might take until 2035. But here's the thing. There might be some good news on the horizon, especially when you consider how bullish Trump has been about crypto. He's been vocal about his support, even promising to do big things for the crypto space. He's talking about creating federal Bitcoin reserves and has hired a pro-crypto person to lead the SEC. With all these moves, it seems like crypto's future is looking a lot brighter. So with that in mind, there's really no need to worry too much. What's even more exciting is that Shiba Inu isn't just another meme coin with no real use or value. Shiba Inu has a strong use case, and the dev team is always working hard to unlock its full potential for the community. They're not sitting around waiting for things to happen. They are actively building. And here's the really exciting part. Shytoshi Kusama, the enigmatic leader of Shiba Inu, recently hinted at something huge. On February 1st, he shared a short video that got everyone talking. The 23-second clip teases an upcoming update that could change everything for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and possibly even the entire crypto world. Of course, Shytoshi didn't spill the beans completely, responding with a cryptic zipper mouth emoji, suggesting that while the team has something big in the works, they're not quite ready to reveal the details yet. But if this teaser is anything to go by, there's a lot to look forward to for Shiba Inu. The future could hold some game-changing developments. So while there's some uncertainty in the market, with the Shiba Inu team doing their thing and Trump backing crypto, there's a lot to be hopeful about. And when it comes to the long term, it's always good to stay positive. As Lucy, a prominent member of the Shiba Inu community, said in her latest tweet, "We can't always control the storm, but we can decide whether to dance in the rain or let it drown us." It's a powerful reminder that even when things are tough or uncertain, It's all about how we react to the situation. For Shiba Inu, this means that even when the market's down or things feel unpredictable, the community can choose to stay hopeful and keep pushing forward. The devs are still working hard behind the scenes, and with updates on the way, there's always a chance for a comeback. So, like Lucy said, we might not control everything, but we can certainly choose to stay positive and ride out the storm.